Hey, it's Annie at Resettled Life. I wanted to give you a preview of this pub style bar that we have in our Union, Kentucky location. It's a really, really neat piece. See all the nice woodwork on the front of the bar. It has that roof on it with storage for glasses. Really beautiful details throughout. It comes apart in about, I'd say, 4 or 5 pieces. Looks like that bottom part comes apart, and then the back lower unit is a piece, and then we have the middle unit with the mirrors and the shelving, and then looks like the ceiling's one big piece. Lots of storage for bottles. There's wine bottle storage, drawers, built-in pendant lights, and other lights that highlight the back of the bar. Really pretty piece. bid.resettledlife.com. If you have any questions about this piece or any other item for sale, just feel free to give us a call. Thanks.